Hi there, this is Fixed It. In the first video, I unboxed this Chinese 1080p wireless Wi-Fi CCTV spy camera, and in this video I'm going to be setting it up. As we saw in the last video, it actually came with a microscopic manual which was virtually impossible to follow, so I've decided to do my own setup video. So after unboxing and charging the camera, it's time to set it up. The first thing you need to do is to use your Android or iPhone camera to read this QRP code, or go to the Google Android store or the Apple store and download the app. In this case, it's called the ABC Cam. Once you've done that, you want to press the on and off button on the ABC Cam until you get the blue flashing light, which indicates that the camera Wi-Fi is transmitting. When I go to the Wi-Fi settings on my iPhone, I can see that there's a new network, AXS, and then GPLFL. Don't click on this web address. What you need to do is to write it down, and in this case I've used the iPhone notes. Once you've checked that you've written it down properly, copy it, because we're going to be pasting it into the ABC Cam app. Now you should open the ABC Cam app. As you open the ABC Cam app, it will ask you to allow notifications. Click allow. It will then bring you to this screen. Click add doorbell. It then presents you with a screen. Leave the name, username and password as they are. Type in or paste the ID that you found in the Wi-Fi. I copied mine from the iPhone note that I made. At this stage or shortly afterwards, the ABC Cam will ask for permission to access the microphone. Select OK. Now go back to your Wi-Fi settings and select the camera address from My Networks. Once it's selected, it will tell you that it is an unsecured network, which means that people do have access to it, so be careful when using these cameras. Go back to the ABC Cam app. We reach a point that becomes very confusing for people. You would imagine that you would click on camera 1 in order to get the app to work, but you don't. You click on AP in the top left hand corner. Camera should now be working. Be careful when you first start, because you'll get feedback if the volume control on your phone is turned up high. When you're ready to stop using the camera, press the power button on the camera itself until the camera turns off and the blue light stops flashing. Then go back to the app and you should see that the app picture is frozen. Now quit the app and go back to your settings to make sure that the camera's ID has disappeared from the Wi-Fi settings, and set your Wi-Fi to its original router address. You now have a basic working camera. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. And in part 3, I'll be using this camera in detail. Thanks for watching. Bye.